Hello students, in this video we are going to see assembly of the screw jack. Screw jack is the mechanical device which is used to lift the heavy weights. The parts which consist of screw jack are body, spindle screw, cup, nut. So we start with our first part, that is the body. In the left corner you saw the diagram and the view of screw jack body. So by seeing this dimension we are going to sketch for this. Select the center line and draw the profile of the screw jack body. Here is the procedure for the same. First of all, draw the vertical lines and then these horizontal lines. By using simple line command we are going to draw the view of the screw jack body. Only check the dimensions that I am going to draw and follow the same procedure. Now join these both lines. First of all, extend this line for 40 mm, then join these both lines and now draw the parallel line to this inclined line, and the distance between these both lines should be 10 mm. So we make it 10 mm. Now give constraint and make them parallel. Now by giving constraint these both lines are parallel to each other. Now we are going to extend this line up to the bottom horizontal line like this. Okay, now these both lines are extended. Now we delete the extra lines, that means we are using the trim command for this. In this way, by using trim command we have deleted the extra lines and then click here on OK. Now the view of profile body and the profile is looking like this, and use revolve command. After using revolve command, your 2D sketch is got revolved in 360 degree and our 3D part is looking like this. In the bottom view this is looking like this. Now we are going to make round, that means we are going to use fillet command on the top and bottom joining portion of this body. By using round command, select this edge, select carefully and give the fillet radius as 1.5 mm. Similarly, we are going to make round on the bottom surface. For this, once again we are going to use round command and select this edge carefully. The fillet radius is 5 mm and click here on OK. Now if you see the object in bottom view, the fillets are looking like this. In this way students, our first part, that is the screw jack body, is completed. Now we are going to save it in the folder, that is I save in desktop folder, that is screw jack assembly, and give the new file name, that is body. Okay. So students, in this way we have saved our part number 1. Now we are going to draw our part number 2, that is the nut. Give the common name nut and sketch the profile of the nut. In the left side of this screen you are seeing the drawing of nut, as well as you are see the profile of the nut. Draw the center line, and by seeing the dimensions give in drawing, draw the profile of the nut. See those dimensions very carefully and follow the same procedure for your drawing. I draw it by mistake, delete it and draw the another line that is of the length 45 mm. Okay, then draw another line of 6 mm, that is the thickness of the our nut. Now extend this line vertically upward by the 25 mm. Now draw horizontal line of the 20 mm. Now extend it to upward direction by 10 mm. Delete this line, this is I draw by mistake. Now join these both lines. After joining these both lines, delete the extra segments. That means we are using the trim command here. After deleting, we click here on OK and use the revolve command. After using revolve command, our nut is looking like this. We have converted our 2D profile in the 3D model. Okay, in this way our model is completed. Now click on the OK button. Okay, in the similar way we are going to use round command on the up and down side of this collar. Give the fillet radius of 5 mm and click here on OK. Now simultaneously we are going to fillet on the down side. Now the our nut is looking like this. We have to save it in the our folder, that is we have saved already in the desktop. Our third part, that is the cup. The dimensions and drawing of the cup is on the left bottom side. Use sketch command and draw the center line as per our regular procedure. Draw center line, then draw the profile of the nut, sorry, cup. The dimensions you saw in the left bottom side, use and see this drawing. This is the profile of the cup. Check dimensions and make them correct as per the drawing. Now check the vertical distance of this cup. For this, draw the line of 42 mm from the x-axis and join this line to these extra lines that we have drawn already. Now extend these both lines. For this, use this command and draw this line to this horizontal line. Now delete the extra lines by using, for this, use this delete segment command and delete the extra lines, as well as delete this 42 mm line. Now profile of the nut, or sorry, cup is looking like this. Now click here on OK and use the revolve command. Now profile of the nut is looking like this. Use revolve command. Now the 3D model of the cup is looking like this. This is the hollow cup. Click here on OK and use the bottom side view. Now dear students, we are going to notch the upper side of the cup. For this, sketch the circle on the upper side of the cup. The dimensions of the cup are 10 mm dia. That means the radius of the cup is 5 mm. Draw it carefully by selecting the centers and click here on OK. Now use the delete segment and delete the upper portion of the circle and use extrude command. For this, select here the dimension and select the both side extrude and remove the material by using this command and click here on OK. Now the notch on the upper side of the cup is looking like this. Similarly, we are going to notch the same dimensions notch on the another side of the cup. For this, make it in left side view and draw the similar arc or circle that we have drawn already. The diameter of the circle is 10 mm. You can also use the arc command for this. By using arc command, you can draw. Now I am going to use the arc command, that is the 3-point arc method. By this, select the any three part and give the dimension of radius is equal to 5 mm. Now the arc is looking like this. Now draw the similar arc on the another side of the axis by using the same method. Give the radius to the arc as the 5 mm and click on OK and use the extrude command. Now by using extrude command, remove the material on both sides by using both side extrude. Give dimension of 100 mm and remove the material. Now as you see, the 4 number of notches we have created on the upper side of the cup. Now save this file in our desktop and give the name of the file as cup. So students, our third part is completed. Now we will open the new file and we are going to draw our next part, that is the screw. The drawing or and the profile of the screw you are going to see on the left bottom side. Use sketch command and draw it in sketch view. For this, select the top plane and draw the center line. As per our regular procedure, first of all, we are going to draw the center line, then draw the profile of the screw. For this, use line command. Draw the vertical line of 30 mm, then draw another horizontal line of the 12 mm. Now draw the another incline line of the 6 mm. The angle between those lines is 45 mm. Check the procedure carefully and make the angle between them 45 degree. Now draw the line of 6 mm and extend this line up to the 6 mm line by using this extend command. Now delete these extra lines. Now close the profile of the cup by using line command. Now our profile of the screw is completed. Click on OK and use the revolve command. Revolve command use and select the center line. Now the profile of the screw is looking like this. Click here on OK and saw it in bottom view. Now we are going to make notch on the upper side of the screw. For the tightening and loosening purpose, we are going to make a notch for the application of the screwdriver. For this, use sketch command, select the top plane and draw one rectangle by center rectangle method. The dimensions of the rectangle are 2 by 2. That means width 2 mm and height 2 mm. Now delete the extra upper portion by using the delete segment command and use extrude command for material removing purpose. Use the both side remove material and give width. Now remove the material like this and click here on OK. In this way we have created the notch on the upper side of the screw. See it in bottom view. Now students, we are going to make threads on the screw. For this we are going to use threading method. First of all, for this we are going to make chamfer on the bottom side. The chamfer dimensions are 1 by m. In this way we have created the chamfer on the bottom side. Now students, we are going to make threads on the body of the screw. For this, go to sketch command, select the top plane, then go to references. In this way, select a reference and select the right edge of the screw as a reference. Then draw the line on the same edge that we have made reference. Now draw the center line and click here on OK. Now use the helical sweep command for making thread. Now draw the profile of the thread. For this, use sketch and the line command. The profile of the thread is something looking like this. Draw this on the reference edge that we have selected. In the profile of the screw, that is the profile of the thread, the angle between these lines is 60 degree. Make it 60 degree as per our procedure. Now students, click here on OK, and our threading is on the bottom side, make it on top side, and click here on remove material option. Now our threading is done. Now we are going to select the pitch. Pitch should be 1.25 mm. In this way we have make threads on the screw. Click here on OK. Saw it in front view or any other way. In this way students, we have make the threads on the screw. These screws are looking like this. In this way we have completed our fourth part. Now we are going to save it. Save it in the same folder that we have already created and give the file name as a screw. For the next video